Writing skills, strategies and techniques for improving writing skills in English. Writing is an essential skill in today's world, and having strong writing skills can greatly enhance your communication abilities. Whether you are a student, professional, or simply looking to improve your writing ability, this tutorial will provide you with strategies and techniques to enhance your writing skills in English. First, read extensively. Reading is the foundation of good writing. By reading widely, you expose yourself to different writing styles, vocabulary, and sentence structures. This exposure helps you develop a better understanding of how ideas are presented and organized in written form.
Make a habit of reading books, newspapers, magazines, and online articles to expand your knowledge and strengthen your writing skills.
Second, build your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary is crucial for effective writing. Regularly learn new words and their meanings to expand your vocabulary. Use a dictionary or vocabulary building apps to help you with this process.
Additionally, try to use these new words in your writing to reinforce your understanding and increase your proficiency.
Third, practice grammar and punctuation. Grammar and punctuation are the building blocks of good writing. Brush up on the rules of grammar, such as subject-verb agreement, tenses, and sentence structure.
Pay attention to punctuation marks, including commas, semicolons, and apostrophes, as they can significantly impact the clarity and effectiveness of your writing.
Fourth, plan and outline your writing. Before you start writing, take the time to plan and outline your ideas. This step helps you organize your thoughts and ensures that your writing flows logically. Create a clear introduction, body paragraphs with supporting evidence, and a concise conclusion. An outline acts as a roadmap for your writing process and helps maintain focus throughout. Fifth, write regularly. Like any skill, writing requires regular practice. Set aside dedicated time to write every day or at least several times a week. This consistent practice will help you improve your writing skills over time.
Start with short writing exercises or journal entries, and gradually increase the complexity and length of your writing pieces.
Sixth, seek feedback. To improve your writing skills, seek feedback from others. Share your writing with trusted friends, teachers, or colleagues who can provide constructive criticism. Consider joining a writing group or workshop where you can receive feedback from fellow writers.
Listen to their suggestions and incorporate them into your writing to refine your skills.
Seventh, edit and revise. Writing is a process that involves multiple drafts. After completing a piece of writing, take the time to edit and revise it. Check for grammar and spelling errors, improve sentence structure, and ensure coherence and clarity.
Consider reading your work aloud to identify awkward phrasing or areas that need improvement.
Eighth, embrace technology tools. Take advantage of technology tools that can enhance your writing skills. Grammar checking software, such as Grammarly, can help identify grammatical errors and suggest improvements. Thesaurus apps can assist in finding alternative words to enhance your vocabulary.
Writing apps with built-in word processors provide a distraction-free environment for focused writing.
Ninth, analyze well-written examples. Study well-written examples of different writing genres to understand what makes them effective. Analyze the structure, language use, and overall style of these examples.
This analysis will help you develop a better understanding of how to craft engaging and persuasive pieces of writing.
10th, practice patience. Improving your writing skills takes time and patience. Be prepared for setbacks and keep persevering.
Celebrate small victories along the way, and recognize that each practice session contributes to your growth as a writer.
By following these strategies and techniques, you can significantly enhance your writing skills in English.
Remember, practice is key, so make a commitment to regular writing and continuous improvement.
Happy writing!